Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. As in English subject, we are continuing with adverbs chapter. In the previous class, you have studied the first part of the adverbs. Okay, you have learned the definition of adverbs, types of adverbs, and in that we covered 3 points, 3 types. First was adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, right? Let's recall again. What are these adverbs? Adverbs of manner gives you the answer of how something happens. What is adverb? Something that modifies the verb. What is verb? An action word. Okay, so that's something that tells you more about the action. Okay, and how did that action happen? That is adverb of manner. Adverb of place, it means the words that denote about places like here, outside, inside, near, far. All these shows about denomination of places. Okay, it all denotes places. Next, adverbs of time. Time obviously when something happened. Now here perfect time won't be given. It will be like yesterday, before, soon, since. The words that denote time. They will be adverbs of time. And all these comes after the verb. Okay? Now, next type, as there are 5 types, we already studied 3. We will be studying with adverbs of frequency. Now, let's see what is the meaning of frequency. Now, these adverbs say how often something happens. They answer the question, how often? How often means, see, frequency here we mean number of times the action happened. How often means kitni baar wo action ho chuka, right? So how many times that action keeps on continuing, right? So that frequency, that is called adverb of frequency. Now adverb of, like here perfect number won't be given. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. That is not adverb of frequency. Again, the words that tells you about the frequency, that tells you about the number. Like see over here, always means hamesha. Yes, this also tells you na, always kitni baar hota hai, hamesha hota hai, right? Every day, rose, right? So the actions, okay, the words that tell you about how often that action happens, that is adverb of frequency. Kitni baar wo actions hota hai. Okay, so that is adverbs of frequency. Okay, let's see the examples over here. Patrick always tells the truth. Now, it should be our habit that we should always tell truth. So see, always, हमेशा सच ही बोलता है. She often uses the internet. Okay, then we sometimes watch cartoons. Not every time. Sometime only we watch cartoons. Sometimes. I am never late for school. मैं कभी भी late नहीं. कितनी बार late? Never late. So never is showing how many time? Right? So that is adverb of frequency. Now over here on the side you can see a note where all these words are given. Always, often, sometimes, never. वो सब का मतलब क्या है? Okay. Now we are not given perfect numbers. We don't know कि 5 बार होता है मतलब हमेशा बोलते हैं उसको. 1 बार होता है तो हम never बोलते क्या. So we need some range, no? कि कितने से कितने परसेंट तक ऑलवेज होता है, कितने से कितने परसेंट तक नेवर होता है, कितने से कितने परसेंट तक ऑफन होता है, right? So we need that range. So that is given on the note. So let's see. Always is 100%. When you know that you do it every time, okay, when you know you do something every time, what you will use? Always. ओके फिर यूजुअली 90%, अगर 90% तुम करते हो, हाँ एक आध दिन नहीं करते, तो दैट इज यूजुअली, 80% जनरली, 70% ऑफन. See, sometimes is 50%. Okay, in your book it's roughly 30%, but you can call it up to sometimes and occasionally 50 to 30. Okay, seldom is 15%. Okay, rarely is 5%, and 0% comes never. So it is very important for you to learn these bars so that when you make a sentence, you know what's the range. Okay, so I seldom visit Baroda. Means it's just 15%. It may be once in 3 months I must be going to Baroda, right? So you need to know the ranges so that you can use these adverbs of frequency correctly. Okay, but learn these words. They are called adverbs of frequency. Now next, adverbs of degree. Okay, adverbs of degree tell us the strength or intensity of something that happens. Many adverbs are gradable, that is, we can intensify them. Basically, they answer the sort of question that asks how much or how little. Kitna. Remember, adverbs of degree, they give you the answer of how much or how little. Here we are not sure about the perfect numbers. Okay, here we are not sure about the perfect numbers. Let's see. The adverbs vary and quite answer the question how much or what to what degree. कितने हद तक ऐसा. How much you liked it? I liked it very much. You used very, right? So, such adverbs are called adverbs of degree. Most of these adverbs are used before adjectives or other adverbs to add to their meaning. Now, adverbs of frequency, they'll come before adjectives. Okay? And that will tell you the intents of it. कि कितने हद तक. Okay, that is what, how much, to what degree it specifies. Okay, words like fairly, rather, fully, completely, slightly, nearly, almost, so to, somewhat, these are the words that you use for adverbs of degree. Now here examples. I am rather tired. Thank you very much. The glass is nearly full. कितनी फुल? नियरली. अब थोड़े ही बाकी है. योर आंसर इज स्लाइटली डिफरेंट, थोड़ा ही अलग है. ओके, सो व्हाट एक्सटेंट, कितने हद तक क्या डिफरेंस है, कितना अच्छा है. ओके, सो दैट इज एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री. ओके, नाउ लेट्स there is one more thing. In these sentences, the adverbs of degree are used before adjectives or adverbs and add to their meaning. Okay, so they come before the adjectives or other adverbs. Now remember, they will not come before verbs, they will not come before action, they will come before adjective or adverb. An adverb of degree can also add the meaning of a verb in the following sentence. They fully supported me. They quite agree with you. So there are few action words with which we can use adverb of degree. Like this: supported, fully, okay, agree, quite. Okay. So now let's do the exercise. Now as you can see in A exercise, I have given answers only till 5. The rest of them you have to do. Okay. So here what you have to do, you have to underline the adverb and write the answer, which type of adverb it is. Now my father will be 40 tomorrow. Tomorrow means कल वो 40 साल के होंगे. Tomorrow. Time, right? That is why it will be adverbs of time. Use this chair if you want to sit comfortably. If you want to sit is action. सिट के बाद आया कंफर्टेबली. अगर तुम्हें सही से बैठना है तो ये चेयर पर बैठो. सो कंफर्टेबली हियर बिकम्स एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर. नाउ प्लीज पुट द बास्केट हियर. वेयर शुड आई पुट द बास्केट? हियर. यू गॉट द आंसर ऑफ वेयर. दैट्स एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. यू कैन सी, यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चन, माई फादर विल बी 40 टुमारो. When will your father be 40? Tomorrow. Okay. Now we often swim in the river. So often over here means 70%. Okay. So swimming in the river, कितने बार swimming करने के लिए गए हो river में? Often. Okay. So that is adverbs of frequency. It is a fairly large house. It's a fairly large house. So that is adverb of degree. That is adverb of degree. कितना बड़ा है? Okay, कितना बड़ा है? Now you cannot take this in numbers, right? हमेशा बड़ा है. That is adverb of frequency will become wrong. Okay, so कितना बड़ा है? Fairly बड़ा है. So that is a quite huge house. Fairly means it's a quite huge house. So fairly over here becomes adverb of degree. Is it understood? This is the way you can ask a question, underline the adverb and write its type. Okay. Now imagine that the sentence below are true for you. Complete the sentences with always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely or never. Now you have to imagine these sentences that they are yours. Okay, you are talking about yourself. Now when you talk about yourself, you know how many times you do that thing. Now you tell me one thing, these are all adverbs of frequency. These are adverbs of frequency, right? So now you have to write about yourself. Okay, how many times you do this thing? Okay, I dash work hard. Do you work hard? Yes, we always say we always work hard, right? I dash go to school. I never go late to school late. I never go to school late. कभी भी मैं late नहीं होता. और जो होते हैं, they can write. We are usually late. We are often late. We are sometimes late. We are rarely late. Okay, you know the ranges, right? 100%, 90%, 70%, 30%, 15%, 5% and 0%. Keep that thing in mind and write these answers. I am rarely absent from school. जो हमेशा absent रहते हैं, they can write I am usually absent from school. I'm never absent from school. So you have to imagine yourself that these are my sentences. Okay, I am usually happy. I rarely get angry. So you have to write about yourself and use these fill in the blanks. Clear? So you can do the same with the rest of the questions. So here we completed with till page number 67. Okay. The next class we will be starting with comparison of adverbs.